wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bottle brushes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Arti Gifts 360 is made from food-grade silicone that's easy to keep sanitary. The angled rotating handle makes it simple to spin and really scrub inside the bottles. However, because of its shape, it can't reach the bottom of larger 8-ounce baby bottles. It is sturdy enough for sterilizers and includes a bonus straw cleaner, but it doesn't lather up soap well. At number 9, the Lullababy cleaning set comes with everything you need, including a bonus fold-up drying rack. The brush has interchangeable sponge and bristle heads that pop right off, so it's even practical to take the whole set with you on the go. It's equipped with a nipple cleaner that stores in the base and an integrated hook for drying, but its handle is a bit flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the OXO Good Grip set was designed with amazing attention to detail. The straw accessory fits most water bottle straws, and the tiny brush is shaped to get in all the crevices of caps and lids. A handy ring on the end allows you to store all three together. It's ideal for wine glasses too, and features an ergonomic handle shape. However, the main brush is not flexible. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bottle brushes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, many parents prefer the budget-friendly classic made by Dr. Brown's. It's been updated from the original with a convenient stand, and the base features fixed chevron channels to help you sanitize nipples without worrying about losing a separate tiny brush. You can choose from pink or blue, both with grooves on the handle to prevent slipping, but the sponge wears out quickly. Moving up our list to number 6, the Roto Scrub offers an unusual take on bottle washing, with a universal steel shaft at the base that should fit into any standard-sized drill. It may seem like overkill, but this brush could be an ideal solution for families of multiples. It removes caked-on residue, however note that it doesn't include a drill, and it's too wide for beer and wine bottles. Halfway up our list at number 5. If safety and sustainability are high on your priority list, then the Full Circle Clean Reach is perfect for you. The handle is made from attractive, eco-friendly bamboo with a non-toxic finish, while the recycled plastic parts are BPA-free. It's available in green and grey and stands upright on its own, but it is expensive for one brush. At number 4, the extra-long Crown Choice Original is made especially for washing beer and wine bottles, making it a great choice for home brewers of all types. The strong brush head flexes just enough to reach all the contours of any vessel shape. It fits inside small openings and comes with a durable plastic handle. However, it could use more bristles on the tip. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're washing bottles all day long, you can leave the Munchkin Shine out because of its sleek stainless handle that will blend in with the decor of most modern kitchens. It comes with an extra brush head that's easy to twist on and off. It features a suction cup stand on the bottom and a rubber nipple cleaner in the handle, but the stainless handle is a little slippery. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bottle brushes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, once you have the hiware 4-piece, you'll find so many uses you'll wonder how you ever did without them. Each flexible brush is a different length and width to help you sanitize hard-to-clean places like wine decanters, reusable straws, and teapot spouts. This set's ideal for long-neck bottles and is dishwasher safe. They come with end hooks for storage. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the innovative OXO Tot has a soap dispenser built in. With the simple push of the button, you'll have the perfect amount of your favorite dish cleanser directly on the bristles. The included stand allows the brush to dry faster and even has a removable drip tray. This one won't scratch plastic and features an easy grip handle and a replaceable head. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bottle brushes, or simply click beneath this video.